Hello everybody and welcome back to Getting Artsy with Cindy. Today we are going to use our Prickly But Sweet stamp set and die. It's one of our newest stamps. It was actually our August Stamp of the Month Club set. So all of the members of the club have the set already. So it is now live for you guys to get as well. It's in our What's New section. This is going to be, usually we are live tonight on Mondays. We're going to do this filmed ahead of time for you guys because I've got family in town and my grandbaby, so need to have some family time. So this you guys can watch at your convenience. But let's go ahead, and I've colored some images up and make a little fun card together, and then I will show you some other examples. So what I like about this stamp set is I've included so many different sentiments. So you can make it for a lot of different occasions. And you don't have to use all the parts to the set at the same time. We're going to use a couple of the elements. This is a really basic, I kind of like, I was going to use, no, I think I'll still use this. I do love this paper. All of this is from our this is one of the little prints in our Artsy prints. It's kind of a lot of fall colors to it. I love it with this set. So just simple format. I will show you some other samples where we did some fun folds. When you're in the Artzy Clubhouse, in the membership Stamp of the Month Club, at the end of the month, I always do a demo, kind of a little workshop, and teach them like 3, 4, sometimes 4 different cards with fun folds. So I'm going to share those with you. But when you're in the club, you actually get the instructions and the whole little workshop included. So I've colored this. Now, when I die cut this, you've got a white border around it. So what I like to do is add kind of fill that white space in a little bit. So I put some green back here, but it's going to be on a cream cardstock, so I didn't really want it white there, so I did cream along the, or green along the bottom. And I'm just going to take a really light beige just to knock that white back a little bit. So it just blends into the background a little bit more. So not much, just enough so it's not a stark white. See how it blends better? And this, I already put some beige in the background of this one too. So I'm going to have this kind of sitting back here, and then by bringing him forward, he looks like he's a little bit more in the foreground. So I'm going to glue this flat. And have it raised and bleeding across the little border. But let's pop this one up. Again, I want it to look like he's in the foreground. I love a card that has some dimension to it. It's going to sit down here. So the green kind of comes off of there. So you can see there's a little bit of front and back. Then for the sentiment, I love having the different border dies. So we're going to do that here. And then we've got all these different sentiments to pick from. I'm just going to layer it up on here. We have hope you're feeling sharp today, which I think that's fun. We could make this a birthday card. Just happy birthday. Friends like you make life less pokey. This one's cute too, but it doesn't fit on there as well. So I think we're going to use this one. I think we're going to do this one. I've die cut this, and I could pop it up with foam tape, but the other thing I like to do is take some scrap paper that's just white, heavier cardstock, and I'm going to layer this up. Just lay this on here. And I have another one. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same. Do this again. So I've got 3 layers. You could do 4 or 5, just if you want it even more chunky. And it kind of, I'll make sure I got this in right. Okay. It kind of makes it look more like a little piece of chipboard. You see the depth to that? And then that's just going to go right on here. And we could pop this off. Let's go ahead and run some foam tape on here too. Okay. Almost done. Right. I'm going to glue that right off here. And then this card is a side fold. So I love to put something on the inside. I could leave it just like that. But if you want to just add another little fun thing on the inside, we could use that here. So might as well. Here again, this has the white border, so I could take that light beige and go all the way around, but I am going to just put it in here like that. And very simple card. I love this little guy. Let me show you some of the things we did in our workshop for the club members. So we did this. We used our die here. This is, I love this die. This is the cloud and land and cloud border die. I use that grass a lot. And then this has a fun centerfold. There's that. So again, this gives you an idea of what we do in our Artzy Clubhouse, the kind of cards you learn how to make. You could put something inside. And this one kind of has a fun interlocking layer to it. So there you go. Just some fun ideas with our newest stamp set. So I hope you guys like that. Check out our Stamp of the Month Club if you want to see more. And you guys have a great week, and I dare you to be artsy.